In this example, we are going to scan the first 1024 ports on a specific device, in this case Metasploitable. Type the command as follows: sudo hping3 scan space 1-1024, followed by the IP address. It takes a little while, but eventually will come back with a list of ports that are not responding, which isn't entirely true. In this example, we are going to send SYN packets using -s, so we are not expecting a response. The status of the ports is much clearer, as you can see it lists all of the ports, with no three-way handshake. Hping3 can also be used as a tool for denial of service. You can craft packets to overwhelm a target using the ---- flood parameter in the command, as well as SYN packets and verbose mode. For us to demonstrate this, we will be using Wireshark. Once started, we are going to use the Ethernet interface and starting the packet capture as shown. Type in the command as shown, including the flood parameter, and watch Wireshark be inundated with TCP SYN packets. As you can see, the number of packets is over 44,000 after a short period of time. If you had multiple machines directing their packets at the target, it would eventually go offline. A good ethical hacker, however, would want to mask their tracks. So in the next example, we are going to spoof the source IP address. We can achieve this using the same previous command, but adding the --rand-source parameter. As you might have guessed, this randomizes the source IP address of the packets so that the packet source becomes untraceable. Leave that to run for a short time and then examine the Wireshark capture. As shown here, all of the source IP addresses are completely random, but all of the destination IP addresses are the same. It is an extra layer of security during a pen test.
Thank you to the G-Man channel for an easy-to-follow video on Hping3. Like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.